A new day has come, making way for the brighter tomorrow. Yeah, yeah. See the rising sun, dry away your tears and your sorrows. Yeah.
What up, girl? You don't know. It's a girl, Melicaskylife, in the building. I say, like, we were sitting here having lunch just now. Let me look up. I just hear that, see. Like, I was so shocked. I was like, oh my God. And I said, what kind of American reaction? Like,
I was like,
so, me not even ask the man nothing. So, me know, come and we take a picture. Tell me that she put on her food long time.
up to your surprise, man.
I was so shocked, seriously.
Yeah,
I never thought that would be my reaction though, seeing a celebrity.
Either.
Anyways, me at me. Today is a good day, really. Today is a good day.
Yes, it is. Yes.
So we're gonna insert the picture that we took. Skylife thing, Jahcure Road. Hi, good day, vlog world. Today is a new day. Hi, Skylife fam. We have Tamika right there. You have Malika right here. We're at a Fairview now. I'm going to Payless. I'm gonna look on some shoes and stuff. Yo, I feel like the camera now adjust now. You see the difference? Like,
I mean, not pick up your face.
no. Okay.
See your situation.
She was like, sorry. Guys, that's how Jamaicans are. You have to see with them. Yeah, so Tamika, I think I want to get one new shoes as well. I drop me, I don't know yet. You know me I try to do? Like, I like this.
This is first.
I like this.
Let's see.
It's cheap. It's a good price. But them shoes they have to carry.
I don't care shoes.
I don't carry things. I heel me see it, but the heel. No, if I'm gonna rub this down in no time.
Okay.
I want you and to do. I want which heel I want. Which side?
Which side?
I want 9. Yeah, what thought about 10? 9 wide width. They had the wedge heel shoes. I want black one.
Yeah, that's weird. It's a blue. What's on the air phone?
You don't have them in a black? You want the camera?
You are working?
What is?
Okay, man, this vlog thing there, not funny, you know. Vlog girl. Turn. Oh, on you?
If you want. Are you kissing the face?
No, I don't want to speak them too much.
You can stop and turn it.
I'm turning again. Stop and turn. No, here I go, Melika. It's Melika. Put her bumper. She's so.
I like this too. But Melika, you can't something there. Carry suede. You can't carry suede. I suede that. Yeah, but you didn't carry it.
After a while, it got on purple.
I'm not advising to buy.
You're not advising to buy? I like how you fit my foot. If I put the camera on my foot. I don't like how you fit it.
No, look the same.
Look the same like us.
So guys, I'm finished. It was a quick stop. Never to stay long because I knew what I wanted. So we're at Domino's now. So we're gonna see if we're gonna get anything. So guys, we're gonna get pizza. Never planned for it, but we had it the other day and it did taste nice, so let's try again. Domino's with the stuffed crust.
13.
Thank you. So that means thank you.
And at 18, Mr. Simon, 8:50, you bring it 15 minutes. Okay.
All right. 30 minutes.
45.
So we're gonna wait for the meal now. And stuff. They must have Wi-Fi. Watch my Anna black is up. I never get my receipt. I never take your receipt. You don't know your name, you go call the name. So guys, I have a big announcement that's gonna happen on this channel. You know, say lighting make your camera look away when the lighting is not up to standard, you see? Anyways guys, we're going, you guys know that I started school, right? And I work full-time as well, and that is a lot to really vlog daily and go to school because I don't really have time. Today I didn't have class, that's why I'm vlogging now. So on a regular basis, I'm at work at 9, I leave 5. Some days I'm supposed to be at school at 5, so it's really a rush to get to school, and there's not much to vlog about really. Now my life's boring basically. So what's gonna happen is you're gonna see maybe more challenges, like in-house stuff with me and Punky, more challenges, Q&As, stuff along that line, like more in-house stuff, right? But when it is that I'm going out or something is happening, I am gonna vlog. So guys, just bear with me, keep subscribe now to keep up to date with me and what I have to offer. Guys, please head over to my business channel. I have a business channel as well. I like to share my knowledge and how I grew my Facebook page, not my Facebook page, Lord Jesus, how I grew my YouTube channel and how I engage with my audience, and I teach a little 1-2 over there, and I plan to teach more stuff because I know that a lot of you guys are into vlogging, but sometimes you don't know what to do. If you type into YouTube now, Jamaican vloggers, I bet I'm gonna be at the top because of the knowledge that I have about like YouTube and SEO. Maybe don't know about anything there, but it's like search engine optimization. Like I have a good knowledge about this stuff there. So guys, go over there and subscribe. It's Melicaallen. You can go over there and subscribe to that. Check out the video that mama have on there. I have a few other videos. I plan to teach you guys how to start making money through Fiverr.com. That's a website. I can't teach you how to leverage the internet and baking. So but they are wait for the pizza. When the pizza comes, I'm gonna show you it tastes nice. I can try it out with a stuffed crust. Okay. So guys, we're still waiting. It's supposed to be 15 minutes. Tamika look hungry.
Come down here, we are like busy now. We see cook manage water.
I get good feeding now.
What? Video catch me.
Yeah. I like her lashes. If you ask her what she get her hair lash, come here plan to put on some.
Yeah, go for the yard.
Yeah, plan to put on some fake next month.
So?
Next month, but me I do it myself.
Yeah, the second one then.
I second one I'll get it glue.
Not the one they use glue.
They use glue on it. When I see them put on it, so it's not just take it off and put it on. They put something on it. I discover it.
So why you have to wear eyelash? Want to know it?
No, Mr. Me I try it.
It's so blurry, yeah, so when the blurry.
Maybe I'm not do it. Maybe just other day I put punky mascara. Mascara. Other day I put punky mascara for my eyelashes, so I'm rotted. I'm feeling that it mess up my eye. My eyes swell up. And my eye back. Up here so. Guys, life is good. You have to enjoy it. Stuff. Yo, you know, I just go come back to now when I see it. When I get the pizza, come I kind of get frustrated now. Are we so long?
You know, come back to them when you get the pizza.
Because I'm going to show you what we got and stuff, alright? I don't want to pepper. This is what we got, guys. We're going to devour this. Tell me, can't wait. Crave some. See you in a minute, guys. So, guys, we're through. We're leaving now. It's a bit dark outside. We still go for fun to look for water. Gone.
I'm so terrible.
Guys, we're going to Fontana. We're gonna look for the alkaline water. It's a new branded water in Jamaica. Not newly branded, but
new.
But just I hear about it the other day, and I really want to try it. It has a lot of health benefits, and yeah, we're gonna look for and try it and stuff. We're walking over now, so I'm going to get back to y'all when we're in Fontana.
Oh my God, away.
What's my tafa? So it's you.
It's me, I know. Oh my God.
You know, so me eat and I hope me not go back up on a river Fontana.
I don't know you. You can already interaction.
Mud alert. Walk up here, Tamika. So we're just walking over and stuff. Guys, I'm really sad about the situation, not being able to vlog daily, but you don't know, my Skylife family are gonna keep it real and stay subscribed. You know.
You know it's cartel.
Well, that's the place.
I don't read people's like that.
You know, one thing with me, like me try to remember every license plate what I see, and it's not go work out. Like I always just like if I'm going into a car, I always just try to remember license plate number. If I not, me can text it go get somebody. Look how quality clear now. Pretty, you know? You eat something too fast.
Are you done before me?
I'm cool for me how much time.
Are you done before me same way? Oh, you have?
You know, see the little teeth here? See alkaline water up there. So,
purified and less for hydration. You wouldn't you?
go check it. What if they have in the fridge?
Sure.
Well, me start drink hot cold water still.
Hot water.
Can you please check the price for this, please?
That's the alkaline water, right? That's the alkaline water that they are.
So I got the water. I'm gonna try. Tell me, come open this to me. Huh? Oh. Excuse me. Give me water. I just drink some. Drink some now.
What it tastes like? Jahcure.
You know taste good? You know taste good?
Normal water. Now what is it that is? How it taste?
It tastes dirty. Like, me want the same water. Say refreshing and... Anyway, guys.
Anything sodium is not good. Because sodium is salt.
Anyway, guys, this is where we end this vlog. Watch your car light. Anyway, come up here. Anyway, guys, this is where we end this vlog. Are you?
Right.
So peace out and keep it locked to Skylife TV. I love you guys so much.
Peace. Oh, look over there.
Thank you so much for stopping by Melicaskylife TV. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscription button. I'll see you on the next vlog.